Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how much better the depth map works in 20 versus 19. I never used it before, it didn't work very well. Works extremely well now. We'll take and blur the background in this video more so that emphasis is on her. This is for the studio version only. Go to color page and another node. Right click on this one. Add node. You don't see your effects. Click this. That's what you have. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. Okay, my hands and arms. That's why it's up there. And select the little search icon and put in depth map. Drag it over on the serial node. Now every picture or video is different. You just have to play around with the adjustments. You want to get the subject, what's closest to you, as white as possible, and the background as black as possible, unless you invert it, which I like to invert it. I see it better. We'll go ahead and try it this way. This is why I like to use invert. But now you want the subject to be as black as possible, the background to be white. That looks pretty good there. You select the preview. Now we can add a color. Now everything you do is going to affect just the background. Unless you deselect the invert, it'll be on the subject. We're going to blur it. Select this icon here and take the radius up to your liking. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.